So we have this job where we were going to turn a honey color into a white, and we needed to raise the microwave, and we took the microwave box out so that we could raise it another 6 inches up. And then we went ahead and prepped the whole kitchen, took all the things out to the garage, and then we pulled out the crown molding. This is the type of crown molding they wanted, and we put this crown molding all the way around. We had to do a little trick here so the doors would open, and then after everything was taped off, we put a primer on everything, and we did some sanding and caulking and another coat of primer, and then we began to put the finish on. And you can see how the microwave box has been raised up now so that we could fit the microwave right underneath there, and the crown molding all the way around looked really nice. And we did this color. It is a Benjamin Moore color called Chantilly Lace, and we did this color in a low sheen called Satin, and the homeowners were very delighted about it. Tune in to our next video.